If you're frequently relocating your steel cable horizontal lifeline system multiple times per day, then you're aware of the valuable work hours lost to setting up and taking down your system at each location. To reduce setup time and improve job site efficiency, FallTech's new Ratchet Strap Tensioner for SteelGrip horizontal lifeline systems allows workers to quickly and easily set up and take down the HLL system multiple times per day. Although the current SteelGrip system design with a galvanized steel turnbuckle has the best durability, consider how two guys can spend up to 20 minutes 8 to 10 times per day adjusting the turnbuckle tensioning system. Between them both, that is 30 man-hours each week spent just on tightening and loosening a turnbuckle. With the Ratchet Strap Tensioner, system setup time is significantly reduced due to the quicker mechanism and longer tensioning range. This hybrid design provides the flexibility of a synthetic rope system and the performance of a steel cable lifeline. With FallTech's Ratchet Strap Tensioner, workers have the ability to set up and take down their steel cable HLL system quickly so they can spend more time getting the job done. For more information and installation instructions, consult the user manual or visit falltech.com. Thanks for watching.